Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Notes and creating or opening the note where you want the scan. This keeps everything organized. Tap the camera icon and choose Scan Documents so the scanning tool loads. Hold your iPhone steady and frame the page. Once the camera detects edges, it will auto-capture. If auto-capture misses, tap the shutter. Make sure to include all margins so cropping works correctly. This step gets you from app to live scan in one smooth motion. Once done capturing, review the preview and drag corner handles to crop precisely, because clean edges yield better OCR and sharing. Then pick a filter, color for photos, grayscale for text, or black and white for crisp contrast, which affects file size and readability. Use rotate if the orientation's off, and tap add if you have multiple pages. Make sure to rescan any blurred pages now, since fixing them later is slower. You finish by tapping Save to embed the scan document into the note, and then use the share sheet to export as PDF, message, or email. This gives you flexible distribution options. If you need annotations, open the scan and choose markup to add text, highlights, or signatures. If pages look blurry, retake them with more light and a steady grip, or enable burst captures for a sharper frame. That troubleshooting tip handles the most common scanning failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.